Let's trade now with Scott Bauer, CEO of the Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, we heard the fundamental breakdown on take two from Michael. Now, how would you go about trading this name?
Hi, Caroline. And yes, Michael made the fundamental bullish case for it. I'm going to make the technical bearish case for this. There's a lot of technical resistance right up above here. So right between the 167 to 169 area, that's the 50 and the 200-day moving averages. So from a technical standpoint, I actually see a very bearish chart here. So what I want to do is take advantage of the very expensive option premium, accelerated implied volatility on a bearish type of trade. So what I'm doing is I'm actually selling an at-the-money call spread for next week, the 162.5, 167.5. Same time, I'm selling the 150, 145 put spread down below. This is called an iron condor. What I'm really looking for is the stock to remain in a range between 150 to 162.5 would be best at expiration next week. But this is a bearish type of strategy because of the strikes that I'm using, where the call spread is really at the money, the put spread is much further out of the money.
So Scott, I'm looking at Regeneron, or I'm sorry, not Regeneron, take two. I'm looking at Regeneron, clearly down 0.2%. So essentially hovering near the unchanged line ahead of its earnings on Monday leading up to that report. But taking a look at the analysts' breakdown, 18 buys, 7 holds, 0 sells, medium price target of 210, and it's trading at 162. So analysts are more bullish than you are. I guess what would you need to see technically to make you a bull versus a bear?
I've got to see it break through both the 50 and the 200-day moving averages and hold up there. You also have to remember, I'm looking at this as a trade, literally to have a position on for just a couple days, where the analysts, they're going out saying 3 months, 6 months, a year down the road. So they could be right? By the end of this year, Take Two could be trading $200. I don't care where it is at the end of the year. I only care specific to the earnings print. And by next Tuesday or Wednesday, just a couple days after the earnings announcement, I'm going to be out of this trade.
All right. Good reminder about short-term versus long-term. Thanks so much, Scott, for the great breakdown there. That's Scott Bauer, CEO of the Prosper Trading Academy.